in lockdown. Time to be a domesticated goddess. 1. Dirty sheets washed. That's gonna take 4 hours and be messy. Step 2. Make a carrot cake. Everyone seems to be baking at the moment, which means there's no bicarb soda or self-raising flour in the shop, which means I'm gonna wing it with some plain flour. So we shall see how this goes. I got the rest of the ingredients apart from vanilla, so I'm using the Tesco ingredients. Preheat the oven to 180, grease the line, and basically turn. I need a baking pan. Don't particularly want to line the pan, so I'm gonna use grease too. I need to get it to stick. You crumple it and then put it on the water. And then it should go into the corners of your pan, which it does. Kinda. I mean, whatever, that's fine. Okay, now carrots and oil in a bowl. 225 mils and 350 grams. And old school scales. At least it means I don't have to refill the battery. That's 400. Let me pop the ends and see if it's enough. Okay, I peeled the carrots too. Sure, I'll do. Let's grate them. The camera died, of course, while I started filming, even though it said it had full battery before. Cool. But I just put the carrots in. Now, oil. Let me just double check how much. And of course they've spilled carrots everywhere. 225. Is it what you say? No, it's the same. I have no patience and I just want to get this done. The flour, cinnamon and nutmeg are in here. There's no nutmeg in the recipe, but there was a nutmeg in the other recipe, so combining them. Now the recipe says 4 eggs, whisk until fluffy. But I've got no bicarb. I'm gonna do 5, maybe 6, because eggs rise. Oops. I mean, I can't put one unwhisked egg in there. Okay. Oh, doesn't quite reach. I mean, is that enough? What does it say? That's how I'm good at this. And I wing everything as well, which is bad. Beat the eggs until frothy. Okay, that's frothy. Can you say? They're frothy. Until the batter is thick and creamy. Add vanilla extract, which I don't have. I gradually whisk in the sugar. Okay, I haven't measured out sugar. So we need another bowl. Wow. Oops. As usual, making that 300 grams of granulated sugar. Whatever's left in here, which is brown sugar. dark brown sugar. It's good. Banana cake. I'm just gonna do 200 of it. 300. 200 of these. Okay. And lightly pour that into the eggs while whisking. Okay, don't mess with that. Okay, me jumping the gun, I fully just put the flour, the electric whisk away, thinking that I was done with it. I'm not. I've got to whisk in the flour too. So let's do that. Okay, now it's going away. And then just fold in carrots and the oil. Spatula, it says. I also fully have a KitchenAid. I just can't be asked to use it because it's like tucked away behind stuff. I don't have the patience to clean it and move it. It's heavy. It looks like a good mixture. This fold. Get in there. Can you see, guys? Really made a huge mess. We're obviously not supposed to overmix. Okay, I'm pouring it in. But I like this KitchenAid thing because it has a pourer. I have a feeling this is too big. I mean, too small. Okay, we're going in anyway. If it expands loads, I'm kind of screwed because it's at the top. Let's hope it doesn't. Oh, this bowl is so heavy, I can't even lift it. Oh, that was in the way the whole time. Well, it's in there. Wish me luck. See you in about an hour. That's cute. So, I realised I had too much batter in the circle tin, so I moved a bit of batter into cupcakes. And it's been about 20 minutes long. I'm going to take them out, or check on them at least. Hopefully they're good. I'm nervous. Cupcakes. Look like they're almost done, but maybe another 10 minutes. And then the cake obviously needs a lot longer. So let's put an alarm on for 10 minutes. Maybe let's do 13 minutes. And we will be back and see what it looks like then. The cake obviously needs like at least another 45 minutes, if not longer, another hour. It said like up to 75 minutes, I think, on the recipe. I obviously veered off it quite a bit, but we'll be back in another 10 or 12 or whatever I just did. Look awful. Time to check the cupcakes. I'm not going to check the cake. Well, we'll see it, but it's definitely not time for it to come out. But the cupcakes should be ready. Oh, actually, maybe not. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a knife in and see if it comes out clean. Oh, I don't know. That's a clean knife. But I get the feeling it needs a bit longer, even though it is supposed to be a moist cake. I'm going to put it in for a bit more. And I think, and there's no way that's done, but in like another 10, I'm going to put forward on that. It's 10 more minutes. I'm just guesstimating. Going with the flow. I mean, it's not like there's anything else to do right now in lockdown, so see how it goes. And I'm not gonna make the icing until like the end because the cakes need to cool fully for me to put the icing on, otherwise it separates when I put it on there. So another 10. Let's put another one here. Let's get cooling rack. Some oven mitts over here. Let's get the cupcakes out.
Slice too.
Does it?
Yeah.
Carrot cake. I think I'm just gonna take this off for a bit so it can. Oh no, it's brown enough. Yay! Yay! Okay, that needs to cool though for ages. Okay, the cake's out. I'm gonna leave it to set and cool down for 10 minutes, and then I'll take it out the tin and let it cool for longer. Then I'll make the cream cheese icing. But I've just turned the oven up. I think it's supposed to be on 200. Because I'm gonna make something called berek, which I got from the Turkish shop, which is, oh, there it is. This one's a beef one, and they are amazing. And you put butter on it, and you eat it. I'm not good at undoing these though. There we go. Okay, what is good about these is they cook on their own tray in the oven. So it's 35 to 45 minutes. I got taught to put butter on the berek. This is what it looks like. And it's puff pastry, so it puffs up. And it's still frozen, so it's going to need about 35 to 40 minutes. In this goes. I'm going to make a little side salad to go with it. Okay, can't find that bowl, of course. So, got to get tomatoes at the shop. So I'm going to put some spring onion in. And then a simple dressing. Spring onion. That went everywhere. Let's get the rest, not so much of the mess in. Okay. Olive oil. Balsamic. I love balsamic. Salt. I tend to like my food a bit salty these days, thanks to certain people I hang out with. Made my tolerance go up. Good. Whoops. And some black pepper. Give it a toss. Salad ready. And I'm probably going to snack on something in the meantime, most likely. And clean up my mess maybe a little bit.
Stop now.
Are you watching me?
Yeah. I was watching the camera.
Okay, we're done.
Look.